Welcome back to a dry wood biochar burn and our results. This is the payback.
Kind of explain that you were right. We were putting too big a wood on. We changed our mind and threw that off for another day.
Yeah, but this is the remains. And now you can also see how this curved cauldron aids. You know, there's so many different types of vessels people use.
And then we picked some sticks out, so we're not getting raw sticks in.
Yeah, because this, I mean, for a hugel bed, this could be used. That's another technique in using some rotten, some fresh, some green, some charred. There's a variation here. I mean, if you want to break it down and do analysis, it's all carbon, but if it's not completely pyrolyzed, which some of this is, see, it's clinky, kind of iridescent, powdered, but you know what? If I was poisoned for some reason, I could eat this. It would probably help take the toxins out. That's what it does. The body doesn't know what to do with it, so it lets it all go. But it adsorbs, especially with liquid. So we've read quite a bit about this. In its dry form, like this is, it actually has a coating of resin around it. So adding liquid to it allows in other minerals. Like you wouldn't want to just take this powdered form, add powdered minerals, and just put it in dry soil. No, of course, you'd want to add some water, soak it a couple days with the minerals or the seed crop or whatever you're choosing to use. There's some clay. Clay has minerals. So this we're going to char another day, but this is the goods. Oh, see, this isn't charred all the way. You can see the color. It's not going to hurt the garden, but it's not, see, if you could see color, it's not fully charged. So we go over like that.
So I'm going to demonstrate this.
Oh, yeah, our Mighty Mac. Very useful tool. Completely, it was wet. If it wasn't wet, we'd have powder and black soot in the air. Nasty. Like we'd have to have, I've had a gas mask on, processing it dry, and it's like, no, just make sure it's wet when you break it, like break it up like this. But it works great. We know a lady that took an air blower and she somehow used a reverse process of the air blower to suck it in, and as it went through the blades would break it up into a bag. You really want to, if you get into it, ideas may just come. step on it with my foot. Good job, Ryan.
So I don't know what we're doing wrong. Everybody says, that is too much work. You couldn't
Yeah.
get anybody that wanted to work so hard in order to find something that lasts 800 years in your garden.
Yeah.
And you don't have to remineralize. Where's your cow manure? What are your plants going to eat? Bring more stuff to the garden. You could just get all that stuff in, and you don't have to plow until you could do a no-till. Once it's in at plow depth, you get this stuff in there, and you could just not be a slave to it for 5 years, do a lab test. Oh, I'm missing nitrogen or magnesium, and let's try and create what is known to be the perfect thing to grow food in and eat. Take those minerals and put them in your body. So yeah, we get some unpyrolyzed wood, so not perfectly uniformly all charcoal. There's some wood in here, but we just add some deer manure into the compost. And you know, it's not the first time somebody put some woody debris in their compost. So this stuff did not pyrolyze, but you know, this is all just going to ash. Can somebody spend 4 hours and make it all disappear and you get nothing out of it, versus this little process with the hose?
Yeah.
And if you go to Living Soil Web's YouTube on how to make biochar, they have a demonstration. One of the people in the audience asked the head honcho, well, would a garden chipper work? Oh no, you're just going to send all your char off to the neighbors in dust form. But you can see that's not accurate if you're hosing it down. So it's wet enough.
It totally works. I said that.
Sorry.
Okay. Thank you for watching. That was our biochar demonstration. Bye-bye.